Hi everyone, we are Tuesday and today I don't have school because the temperature isn't great outside. I don't think you can see it on the camera, but we had icy rain all night, so everything is really glissant, so you can fall very easily. So a lot of schools are closed in Montreal today. So I will try to be productive and get some things done in my to list. I was supposed to have 3 classes, but now I have none. So I will try to take that day to get ahead, hopefully. So I will show you. It's not that bad, but my friend tried to go to work and she almost fell 3 times, so she gave up and went back home. I don't know if there's someone walking that I can show you. No. Yeah, since a lot of schools are closed, there's a lot of people who are staying inside because of their kids and things like that. So usually there's people walking on the sidewalk, but not today. I haven't seen anyone, so that's pretty crazy. So I can show you what's on my to-do list for today. Well, here is what I would like to do in a perfect day. So I need to send an email, do some Facebook promotion for my blog on Facebook groups, try to do some exercise for class 2 of maths. I wanted to ask my teacher some question in the class today, but it's cancelled, so I can't. I'm really sad about this. I would also like to revise some exercises within in class 1 here because we're having a test in 2 days if it doesn't change because we don't have school today. I'd like to finish some laundry and do some exercises for my class 2 of artificial intelligence. I published a new video yesterday about study with me all weekend, and I would like to promote it on my Facebook page. And I would like to read class 4 of my user interface class because I wasn't fully listening to the teacher yesterday, so I'd like to revise the PowerPoint. But right now I will start a live stream. At 9 a.m. I started a live stream on my YouTube channel. After that, I started promoting a new interview someone published about me, Ionizer Mag, so I published it on my Facebook page. I also started promoting my blog post on Facebook groups. I replied to some emails for Girl Knows Tech, and I scheduled a tweet to go out. Then at really 9 a.m. I started editing a new video for my YouTube channel, which was my study with me all weekend long. 20 minutes later, I did some research on how to return an item to Amazon, and I also replied to some YouTube comments, did some Twitter scheduling again. And then at 10:20 a.m. I really started to work on linear algebra, which is my last mathematics course. Then here I'm just trying to show you how the windows are full of ice, to show you how chaotic it was outside that day. So that was during my 10 minutes break of my Pomodoro session. And then I'm going back to my office to work on maths again. At 11:15 a.m. I started to revise my computing network class. I always do that. I revise the class before the teacher does it because that way I can understand more when he does the class. After that, I forgot to bring my camera up a bit, but I started working on my blog. I edited a blog post that needed to be updated. And I also replied to some emails again because I had a bit of catching up to do. At 12 p.m. I had lunch. It was a very healthy salad, as you can see, and I also watched a horror movie that was really bad. Please don't watch it. It was like The Haunted House or something on Netflix with the same actor that was on 13 Reasons Why. It was really a bad movie because there wasn't any ending, and like the story is really great, but you never know why everything happens, so please don't watch it. Sorry if I told too much spoilers, that wasn't my intention. My boyfriend was so surprised by the movie that he came for a bit, but he didn't like it, so he left. While I was watching the movie, I was working on my Facebook group, Women Know Tech. I was creating some images and scheduling some posts for our teen days, because every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I ask a question to the members so everyone can engage with each other. I think I planned maybe 6 to 9 team days that day. I always do that, so whenever I'm watching TV, after a while I will take my computer and do light tasks like creating images on Canva. That's really easy. And I can still be productive and have fun. And then you can see me on my phone. I'm probably replying to some Instagram DMs like I usually do. And then my computer decided it needed an update, so I did the update, and while I was waiting, my cat came, and that was a really great moment. And then I'm replying to DMs. Then I'm doing laundry. And I went back to my office at 3:30 p.m. for some emails and working on my blog again. I was really inspired that day. I was actually working on an upcoming blog post, which is a list of YouTube channels that are about studying and study tips. I also updated my list of women in tech on YouTube, and I divided it by category like hardware, general tips, or organizations, fashion. Needed a bit of an update, so that's what I did. It took me about an hour. It was quite long to do. I didn't film it, but I had dinner and then I went back to writing at 7 p.m. I replied to a YouTube comment. Someone asked me why I was doing live study session. Then I went back to writing again. That was really the focus of my day. I was really inspired, and when I'm inspired, I make sure to use my inspiration on the day. Sorry for this bad image now. I don't know what happened with my camera, but it just wouldn't film great that day. I don't know why. Here is an update on my to-do list. So I did almost everything today except exercise of my class 2 for artificial intelligence. I read the exercises, but I didn't feel like doing them today. I was pretty tired, so I'm still quite happy with what I did today. Thanks for watching!